Today, I'll show you how to add your house name to Google Maps. Adding a house name can help delivery drivers, visitors, and local services find your home more easily. In Google Maps, you can suggest an address update, add a missing place, or label your home privately, depending on what you want. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Now search for your home address in the search bar. If your address already appears on Google Maps, tap it to open the location details. Scroll down and look for Suggest an Edit. Tap Suggest an Edit. Now choose the option that lets you change the name, address, or map details. Enter your house name in the correct name field if Google allows that type of edit. For example, you might enter the official house name, building name, villa name, or residence name. Check that the map pin is in the correct location. If the pin is not accurate, move it to the correct spot on the map. Add any extra details that help Google review the change. Then tap Submit. Google may review your suggestion before showing the update publicly. If your house does not appear on Google Maps at all, tap and hold the correct location on the map to drop a pin. Open the pin details, then choose Add a Missing Place. Enter the house name, choose the closest suitable category, add the address, and submit it for review. If you only want the name visible to you, open Google Maps, tap Saved, then choose Labeled, add your home address, and label it with your house name, and that's it. You now know how to add your house name to Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.